Alright guys, we're going to be solving another question from the Dynamics by Meriam, and we have the car C that increases its speed at a constant rate of 1.5 meter per second squared as it rounds the curve shown. If the magnitude of the total acceleration of the car is 2.5 meter per second squared at the point A where the radius of the curvature is 200 meters, we need to compute the speed of the car at this point A. So let's just go over the givens that we have. We have the acceleration in the first line, 1.5 meter per second square, where this one is actually the tangential acceleration. So we show it with AT. And as we talked about, we have a total acceleration A, which is the square root of tangential acceleration squared plus the normal acceleration. The tangential acceleration would be what we have in here is 1.5 meter per second squared, and the normal acceleration, we have a formula which is the v squared, or the speed to the power of 2 over the rho, which is the radius of the curvature. So the given that we have is from the first line we have the tangential acceleration and the total acceleration, which is our a. So we know a is 2.5 meter per second square. Let's just clean this up. And from these givens that we have so far, we should be able to find the normal acceleration because we have at, we have a, so we should be able to find the an. And if we just plug in the value of the normal acceleration, we already have the radius of the curvature, which is 200 meters. So we know also the rho is from the last line, 200 meters. So we should be able to find all the unknowns. So let's just figure out an first. So the an simply would be the square root of a squared negative at squared, and this will be equal to v squared over the radius of curvature, which is 200 meters, and that should give us the velocity or the speed that we're looking for. Keep in mind that this speed is always at the point that we are considering. So in this specific problem, we have point A. All right, so let's just plug in the numbers. 2.5 squared minus 1.5 squared is going to be v squared over 200. So our v squared would be basically 200 times that. So 200 square root of 2.5 squared minus 1.5 squared, that's going to be 400 meter squared per second squared, because this is going to be meter and this is going to be meter per second squared because it's the unit of acceleration. And if we just do the square root on each side, we're going to get 20 meter per second as the acceleration. And yeah, that's going to be the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.